Shalom, and welcome to an exciting journey into Hebrew. In today's lesson, we're not just learning a language. We are also unlocking a world of confidence, strength, and joy through powerful Hebrew sentences. Imagine saying, Ani chazak, I am strong, or Yesh li lev tov, I have a good heart, with pride and fluency. In that way, you learn new vocabulary and also Hebrew sentence structure organically. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. To say, I am strong. As a male, say, אני חזק. אני, I, חזק, strong, singular male. And as a female, say, אני חזקה. אני חזקה. To say, I am smart. As a male, say, אני חכם. אני, I, חכם, smart, singular male. And as a female, say, אני חכמה. אני חכמה. To say, I am beautiful. As a male, say, אני יפה. אני יפה, beautiful, singular male. And as a female, say, אני יפה. אני יפה, beautiful, singular female. To say, I can learn everything. As a male, say, אני יכול ללמוד הכל. אני יכול, can, singular male, ללמוד, to learn, הכל, everything. And as a female, say, אני יכולה ללמוד הכל. To say, I am confident. As a male, say, אני בטוח בעצמי. אני בטוח, confident, singular male, בעצמי, with myself. And as a female, say, אני בטוחה בעצמי. To say, I am loved. As a male, say, אני אהוב. אני אהוב, loved, singular male. And as a female, say, אני אהובה. אני אהובה, loved, singular female. To say, I am healthy. As a male, say, אני בריא. אני בריא, healthy, singular male. And as a female, say, אני בריאה. אני בריאה, healthy, singular female. To say, I am successful. As a male, say, אני מצליח. אני מצליח, successful, singular male. And as a female, say, אני מצליחה. אני מצליחה, successful, singular female. To say I am proud of myself. As a male, say אני גאה בעצמי. אני גאה, proud, singular male, בעצמי, of myself. And as a female, say אני גאה בעצמי. אני גאה בעצמי. To say I am free. As a male, say אני חופשי. אני חופשי. Free, singular male. And as a female, say אני חופשייה. אני חופשייה. Free, singular female. To say I have power, say יש בי עוצמה. יש, there is, בי, in me, עוצמה, power. To say I love myself. As a male, say אני אוהב את עצמי. אני אוהב, love, singular male, את עצמי, myself. And as a female, say אני אוהבת את עצמי. אני אוהבת, love, singular female, את עצמי, myself. To say I create good things. As a male, say אני יוצר דברים טובים. אני יוצר, create, singular male, דברים, things, טובים, good, plural. And as a female, say אני יוצרת דברים טובים. To say I have a good heart, say יש לי לב טוב. יש, there is, לי, to me, לב, a heart, טוב, good, singular male. To say I am full of joy. As a male, say אני מלא שמחה. אני מלא, full, singular male, שמחה, joy. And as a female, say אני מלאת שמחה. To say I am good enough. As a male, say אני מספיק טוב. אני מספיק, enough, טוב, good, singular male. And as a female, say אני מספיק טובה. אני מספיק טובה. To say I'm learning every day. As a male, say אני לומד כל יום. אני לומד, learn, singular male, כל, every, יום, day. And as a female, say אני לומדת כל יום. To say I'm improving every day. As a male, say אני משתפר כל יום. אני משתפר, improve, singular male, כל, every, יום, day. And as a female, say, אני משתפרת כל יום. To say, I'm surrounded by love. As a male, say, אני מוקף אהבה. אני מוקף, surrounded, singular male, אהבה, love. And as a female, say, אני מוקפת אהבה. And there you have it. Amazing Hebrew sentences that don't just teach you words, but remind you of your own strength and potential. Keep practicing, keep shining, and join me next time for more Hebrew magic. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.